Morning dear student. Now in today class again we will learn sound of vowel I. So let's start. Here are pictures and words. So our first word is pin. P-I-N, pin. P-I-N, pin. Then tin. T sound is T, I sound is E, and sound is na. T-I-N, tin. Then third is bean. B sound is B, I sound is E, and sound is na. B-E-na, bean. Then F sound is F, I sound is E, and sound is na. F-E-na, feen. Then B sound is B, I sound is E, G sound is G. B-E-G, big. B-I-G, big. Okay. Then F sound is F, I sound is E, G sound is G. F-E-G, fig. Next is wig. W sound is V, I sound is E, G sound is G. W-I-G, wig. V-E-G, wig. Next is pig. Next is pig. P sound is P, I sound is E, G sound is G. P-E-G, pig. P-I-G, pig. Next is lid. L sound is L, I sound is E, D sound is D. L-E-D, lid. Next is K sound is K, I sound is E, D sound is D. K-E-D, kid. Then bib. B sound is B, I sound is E, B sound is B. B-E-B, bib. Z-I-P, zip. Z sound is Z, I sound is E, P sound is P. Z-E-P, zip. Okay, Z-E-P, zip. Then L sound is L, I sound is E, P sound is P. L-E-P, lip. L-I-P, lip. Okay dear students, in this class we'll again write sound of vowel I. आज हम फिर से sound of vowel I ही लिखेंगे. Okay. In the previous class we have learned two words, bean and peen. Okay, दो word पढ़ा था हमने, bean and peen. Now here are two letters again, heel and jeep. Heel and jeep. This is a picture of heel and this is a picture of jeep. H-I-L-L, heel. Z-I-P, zip. Okay, H sound is H, I sound is E, L sound is L. H-E-L, heel. H-E-L, heel. Okay? Write down. H-I-L-L, heel. H-I-L-L, heel. H-I-L-L, heel. H-I-L-L, heel. Next letter is zip. Z-I-P, zip. Z sound is Z, I sound is E, P sound is P. Z-E-P, zip. Z-I-P, zip. Z-I-P, zip. Z-I-P, zip. Z-I-P, zip. Okay? Okay students? Okay. Our classwork is completed. Here is your homework. Okay? So you will complete both the pages. And one exercise is there. Write the missing vowel I. Okay. What is this? Our exercise is write the missing vowel I. Okay, यहाँ पे vowel I is missing, so we will write here vowel I and complete the sentences. Okay, sorry,